Hey! I'm Miss Alisa, and today we're doing baby first words. Yeah! Are you ready? Let's go! Let's go to the kitchen and see what we can find.
Oh,
Kitchen!
no.
Ooh, what's this? Milk! 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 Milk, milk, milk does the body so good. Yeah! Milk is from cows. Yeah, cows.
Wow.
What do we drink milk out of?
Oh, no.
I think you're right.
Yeah!
A cup. What kind of cup do you have? What color?
Yeah!
Baby drinks milk from a, what's this? Baby bottle. Yeah. Babies drink from a bottle. Bottle. Yeah. What else do you use in the kitchen? Do you use a fork? What's this? A spoon. Fork and spoon, fork and spoon. Fork and spoon. What do you use a fork and a spoon for? What? Yes, to eat. Good job. Good job, little ones. Fork and a spoon, fork and a spoon. We used to feed our tummies. Yeah. In the kitchen, we used a cup, a bottle, fork and spoon, and milk. Yeah. Now, let's go to the bedroom. Yeah, where you sleep. The bedroom. Let's go. Bedroom. Yeah. What is in the bedroom? Yes, you're right. We sleep on a bed. We sleep on a bed. Yeah. And babies sleep in a crib. Yeah. Good job. When a baby or you get cold, what do you use? Yeah, a blanket. Blanket. We use a blanket to make us warm. Yeah, good job. What else is in your room? Do you like to play? Play, 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 play all day with toys. Yeah, me too. What do you do before you go to sleep? You brush your teeth in the bathroom, right? We brush, 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 brush your teeth. When you brush your teeth, it's so nice and sweet. Always brush your teeth at night before bed. Yeah, and in the morning when the sun comes out. Good job. Yeah. Today we learned so many words, right? And we're going to make sure that we're super helpful and we help our family and we clean our room, right? Yeah. Good job, guys. All right, little explorers. Bye.